Okay. All right, a little bit of a mix-up on the last couple of videos with two going out on the same day. A little bit of confusion, but we're back. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Holocrons and 3 Cryptoys cubes. Now, I think I read that there is a cube match happening where for everyone that you buy, there's another one that you get. So we bought those 10, so we may have 10 more Holocrons on the way. We shall see. Okay, so what are we doing? We had a bunch of Star Wars Volume 2 that we already opened. We started our collection. You want to keep going with those?
Yeah.
All right, number 1 as always?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Here it comes.
Can I use my magic touch?
Yeah, go for it.
I don't think I've used my magic touch on Volume 2 Star Wars yet.
You haven't yet, no.
No, but I will now.
Okay. And we have so few that it doesn't really matter what we get. The odds of getting something new are pretty good. Let's see. Let's see. I can't look. Oh, and meanwhile, right, we have the rare Obi-Wan. I just said the odds of getting something new are good, and here it comes with a dupe. Well, it means we get to keep going.
And open it. Do.
We're going to keep them sealed for now because we have more to open. So, here we go again. All right, Mr. Magic Touch.
I was hoping I would get to open something,
All right. Here we go. Whew, something new. Maybe a Grail. Padme Grail with the white makeup. That could be cool. Any Maul would be great.
Yeah, we don't have any stuff.
Yeah, right, still. And bingo! With a legendary.
Happy.
And that's the one that you like, right? With the robot legs? Nice.
I have
listen.
Oh, look, the sky.
Yeah. You hear the music? Amazing. Wow. Okay. So, look at that. Legendary. Here we go.
I told you all the magic touch. We got a new one. It was my favorite, and it was a rare, and it was a good rarity, and it's also one that we have none of in any of the rarities. So I definitely have magic touch now.
There you go. Okay, so that's it. Darth Maul legendary. Look at that. One more Obi-Wan, and we've got all the legendaries. One common Darth Maul, and we've got all the commons. So, okay, we're close to completing a couple of different rarities across all the character set. So, let's see what we can do. Awesome. All right, guys, that's cool. He looks great. Can't wait to see more out of him. We'll see what we got next. See you soon.